Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing cartoons, and today I'd like to show you how to draw a type of pose for a woman walking forward. A lot of times we have the typical one where the arms are equally dispersed and the legs are in a long stride, but there are other ways to draw a pose as well, so let's give that a try. So here will be the head right here. So let's make a little line here so that this is the neck. So the way we do that is by showing this is his shoulder. And we'll do the torso over here. And bring it straight down. Now from here, we have an unseen structure, which is the hips right here. And from that, we're going to bring them down this way. Like that, and we'll bring the other leg up a little bit. Overlapped. Like that. So we can bring the arm here and have her holding on to, well, I have to get rid of this stuff now. Have her holding on to her purse. Now let's put a little face on this character. Something very sketchy, but let's still put it on. And bring this shoulder up a little more. And we can change the tone on both parts of the garment so that it's black and then white. So there you go. You don't have to just settle for what's typical. You can kind of add to the walk. Give it a little attitude. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe meanwhile. Bye-bye.